friends, we're back. So we have got another exclusive special experiment that we've been sent by our friends at AMRIC, which is the Applied Materials Research, Innovation and Commercialisation Company.
How do you memorise all that?
Well, it's difficult, but I do remember. And they do loads of great stuff, including lots of work on ceramics. And what did we just say ceramics were?
Like pottery.
Pottery, things like that. But not just plates, things like tiles. They do refractories, which are things that keep heat in on spaceships. Cool stuff like that. So anyway, they've sent us, because they're very nice people, some experiments. We've already done one. You might have already seen it. It was all about biscuits.
And
we loved it.
More.
And this is the second one. So we're going to unbox it and do the experiment at the same time. So go on, do it.
Okay. First we have some instructions, like last time.
Okay.
We have some very strange looking pipettes.
They're quite cool pipettes. We've not had pipettes like that before.
No, it's almost like an antenna.
Ooh.
It's like one little bit and then it's just a thin bit. I'm an alien or a bug. Okay, we have tile 1.
Okay, put tile 1 down then.
We have tile 2, which is a mini tile.
Mini tile. Okay.
And tile 3.
Okay.
Which looks the same as tile 2.
Okay. Wow. So let's line them up. So that was 2, and that's 3. Yeah. So 1, 2,
Oh, it makes
3.
a face. Eyes, mouth.
Okay. So let's see. Put that over there. Let's see what the instructions say. So this is about hydrophobicity.
What's that?
So do you know what hydro is?
No.
It's a word for water.
Okay.
And what's a phobia?
Like when you're scared of something.
Yeah. So this is basically things that are scared, testing how scared something is of water.
How are we going to do that with tiles?
So it's going to test. So if it's scared of it, it's going to repel it, right? It's going to not soak it up.
Okay.
And if it's not scared of it, it's going to soak it up.
But none of these will soak it up.
Well, how do you know?
Because they're hard.
Let's find out. There's some stuff for you to write on.
Okay. Shall I get my pen?
I've got a pen here for you.
I've lost. Okay.
Right. So hydrophobicity testing.
Blah, 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 blah.
So it's hydrophobicity is the ability of a material, tiles, to push away water or repel water. Okay. Hydrophilicity is the ability of a material to attract or absorb water, so soak it up. Okay. So if you're hydrophilic, you like water, you're going to soak it up. If you're hydrophobic, you're scared of water and you're going to push it away. Okay, makes sense?
Yeah.
So why would we care about water and something? Why would we care about whether something absorbs water or not?
I don't know.
Well, if you think about it, if it's a rainy day, do you want a coat that absorbs water?
No.
No, because you're going to get wet. So you'd rather have a hydrophobic coat, yeah? Whereas if you were in, say you were a plant, would you rather be hydrophobic or hydrophilic? Hydrophilic. Hydrophilic, yeah, because you want to absorb the water, right? So there's different times you want it. So a house, you want to be hydrophobic because you don't want the water to come in, right? So different times you want different materials to do different things. So let's prepare our working space. So it says, make sure you've got a clean space.
Yes.
Gather your supplies and have your notes to hand. Do you got that?
Yep.
Right. Write down your findings, what are you doing, what's happened, and any observations. Okay. Right. What do we need? From our kit, we've got pipettes, tiles, and your notes.
Yes.
And from home, we're going to need some tap water, which I happen to have here. And to make it a bit more fun, I think we should add some dye.
Yes, can I do it?
Yeah. So we've chosen blue dye.
How much should I put in?
Well, see how you feel.
Remember that one experiment when we put the whole bottle of red food colour
Yeah.
in? How many drops?
Well, let's just start and see how it goes.
Boing. Oh yeah,
Yeah, that seems better. Right, so what you're going to do is you're going to get some water in your pipette. Right, there we go.
Is this enough?
Yeah. Now, we don't do it yet, but what we're going to do is put a drop on each tile, right? But so we're going to do a tile, have a look at it, write down what we see, then do the next one, then do the next one. Okay.
When should I do it?
So, have a go. So let's see what happens on tile 1.
Is this tile 1?
Yeah.
Yes. Just one drop?
Just one drop.
Oh,
that was 2.
I did 2, sorry.
And what happened?
It absorbed it.
It absorbed it straight away, didn't it?
Should we try some more?
Go on then. Okay.
Weird.
So write down on your thing what happened to number 1.
Shall I just write absorbed? Absorbed.
So if that absorbed it, what is it? Is it hydrophobic or hydrophilic?
Hydrophilic.
Well done.
Or hydrophilic.
Hydrophilic, yeah. Right, have a go with number 2. Move it a bit closer for you.
Is that number 2? I'm just checking.
Yeah.
Okay.
So try see if
I think I know what will happen.
See if you can just put one drop. Maybe go a little bit closer.
He's hydrophobic.
So yeah, what's happened to that one?
Not absorbing it.
It's not absorbing it. Put another drop on. Try and just do one.
It's not absorbing it.
Right, hang on. Right, try and just put one drop on.
Okay.
See, go closer. Oh, you're hopeless.
No, Arthur. Is that a drop?
Keep going. There, right.
I did it.
So it stayed on, yeah?
Yes.
So is that one hydrophobic or hydrophilic?
Hydrophobic.
Good job. Yeah, I'm going to fill up your pipette.
Right, it repelled water. Isn't this the same tile?
As what?
As tile 1.
I don't know. Have a look and see what happens. Does it feel the same?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tile 3. Let's try.
Just one drop.
What? Can I do another?
So actually, look. If you just don't move them yet. So you see that drop?
Yeah.
And this drop?
Yeah.
Which one's spread out the most?
This one.
That one.
Why?
So although this is shiny.
Yeah.
And so you'd think it was the most scared of water. This one's actually pushing it away even more, isn't it?
Why?
Ah, wow. Why do you think?
I don't know. It feels the exact same as the first one. Shall I write down my findings?
Yeah.
I'll write repelled it a lot.
So, do you want to know the science?
Yeah.
So this tile is what is hydrophilic and it's porous. So do you know what porous means?
Yeah.
It's got tiny little holes in it.
Oh.
Yeah. So if you were to look under a microscope, well, you can actually see them if you look.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
But there's holes on this one.
Ah, well, okay, wait. This guy is also, the tile is also hydrophilic, right?
But the coating is...
But the surface isn't porous. Yeah, so there's no little holes in the surface, which is why it's smooth and shiny.
Yeah.
So what the water's doing there is it's spreading out. So it's not so much that it's pushing it away, it's just spreading out.
Okay.
Yeah. This guy has got a special coating on it, which has made it hydrophilic. So actually it still looks porous, so it's still got its holes in, but it's got a special coating on it, which is hydrophobic. So it's actually pushing that water away. So you can see the drops. That's quite a flat drop. Can you see?
Yeah.
And that's quite a pushy up drop. Yeah? Can you see the difference?
Yeah.
So that's what's going on there. So even though they look the same, well, particularly those two look the same, there's some magic science has gone on this one to put a coating on it which doesn't like water.
Okay, this one feels a bit smoother, but still.
So again, they do exactly this test in a lab.
Really?
And they do put a tiny drop of water on and then they get a camera to look at how high up the droplet is.
Okay.
So that's got a flat drop, that's got a big drop.
Yeah.
Okay. And tests how hydrophobic various ceramics are. So there you go. Who knew you could have so much fun with some tiles and some blue water?
Yeah.
So, do you want to give it a score?
Yeah, you go first this time.
I'm going to go 9.
Yeah, I'm going to go with a 9 too, because it was pretty fun, because like, for this one, it barely soaked up here, but then it left a mark, and it soaked up easy-ish on this side, and not very easy here. This one doesn't soak at all, but it's easy to wipe off.
Mm-hmm.
But then on the side,
it soaks
in right away.
So there we go. So we're going to give it a 9?
Yeah.
Okay, so there we are, science fans. So that's all about hydrophobicity. We've learned all about hydrophobic and hydrophilic materials, in this case, ceramic materials. So thank you to our friends at AMRIC for sending us these fab experiments. And we'll see you next time. Don't forget, if you like what we're doing, go to our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie.
And don't forget to
like and subscribe.
Bye for now, science fans. Bye.
Oh.